So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to put your custom URL and make it so that when you type www, you get whatever your website is. So we're going to do it with this one that I've just got done making. It took me a while. So now that we're ready to do that, we're going to click onto our custom URLs. And we're going to add that, but we have to do a couple of things first. So first, let's go over to our cool domain. So this is annoying. Okay, I think it's this one. Alright, now that we're on my domains, I'm going to go down to the one that I want, which is themaster.com. Now, what I'm going to make sure that I do, now I'm also switching this over, so bear in mind. I'm going to click on DNS, and I have a list. I scroll all the way down to the bottom where it's the custom resource records. And we're going to delete all of these since I'm switching these over. So I'm not going to be using the old website. I'm going to use the new one I just made. So what I'm going to do is, I have this one already pre-made. This is from one of my other websites. So what I'm going to do is copy this, paste it into here, and make sure I put down CNAME. Don't worry about that space. The 1 hour thing you don't have to worry about either. It automatically does that. And then we're going to do all of these versions. We're going to add each of these. Now bear in mind, it might take a little bit of time for it to actually show up. But once it does, you'll be able to use it for the custom URLs. And make sure you hit CNAME, by the way. I'm not sure if I made that clear earlier. And finally, the www. There we go. Now that we've added all of those, it may take a little bit of time before you can actually use the URL. But once you do that, it will work. This website right here, I've done it before, and it still works when I type in www. Now, if you're using Google Chrome, you're going to have this issue where when you type in your brand new website name, it's going to, oh wait, here we go. Now that's done, assign, and good to go. Now, if you have Google Chrome, you're going to have this issue where if your website isn't popular enough, it won't show up immediately. So if you type in Cypress, so if you type in that address, you're going to get that. So you have to type in www dot and then hit enter. Although this is also brand new, so it may take a little bit of time. I think I'll pause and let you guys know when I get back. Okay, so I made myself a cup of tea and it took a little while, but when I finally put in the website name, just www, pulls it up. Everything awesome. Same thing. Let me see if I can get it to work if I just type in just that. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, this is a quick note for Chrome users. When your website's brand new, the way how the Google scroll looks for your website is by how many people type in the website onto Google like that. So Google Chrome acts kind of like Google search. So when you don't put www, it does a search automatically and it doesn't find it immediately. So you have to type in www.cypresswood, or ignore that, whatever your website name is when you're first getting started. After a couple dozen searches and people start looking it up, you'll eventually be able to have people just look up the name and just have your URL and then have your website done. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you can figure this out on your own. And let me know in the comments if you have any help, if you need any help, or if anything goes wrong, because I can't solve it. So good luck. Bye.